Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted to add a professional or even a hand-drawn hatch fill directly to your vector shapes in Inkscape? In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a hatch fill using the powerful Live Path Effects panel, which is much more versatile than a standard pattern fill. Whether you are creating technical drawings, architectural plans, or artistic illustrations, this technique will save you time and give you full control over your line density and angle. If this guide helps you improve your workflow, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more Inkscape tutorials. Let us dive in. First, launch Inkscape and select the object you want to fill with your hatch pattern. Make sure your selection tool is active by pressing the S key on your keyboard. With your object selected, navigate to the top menu and click on Path, then choose Path Effects. This will open the LPE panel on the right side of your workspace. Inside this panel, click the plus button to bring up the effect search menu. Search for Hatch Rough and click to add it to your object. Immediately, you will see the hatch effect applied. Now it is time to customize. Look at the LPE settings where you can adjust your spacing to change the distance between lines, the angle to rotate the direction of your hatch, and the randomness slider to give your lines that organic, hand-drawn look. If you want to manipulate the hatches directly on the canvas, switch to the Node tool by pressing N. You will see green handles and diamonds appear. Simply drag these on your canvas to change the origin point or the angle manually. Remember that this process is non-destructive. Because this is a live path effect, you can tweak these settings anytime, or remove the effect entirely without losing your base shape. However, if you ever reach a final design state where you need to edit each hatch line as an individual stroke, you can go to Path and select Object to Path, or press Ctrl, Shift, and C. Just note that this will finalize the effect, and you will no longer be able to use the LPE menu to change the spacing or angle. This method is far superior to using the standard fill and stroke panel, which you can open with Ctrl, Shift, and F, as it avoids static image patterns and keeps your design perfectly vector-based. If you missed any keyboard shortcuts, stick around as they are listed in the description below. I hope this tutorial helped you master hatch fills in Inkscape. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips. Thanks for watching and happy designing.